Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Speech about Doctor's Day. Good morning everyone.
Today we had all gathered to listen to this speech on Doctor's Day, which is a way of recognizing the service of physicians to our lives and ultimately to the nation. Friends, now let me tell you the reason behind choosing this particular date. This day is actually celebrated in India to honor one of the great physicians, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was also the second Chief Minister of West Bengal and had made numerous contributions to the field. He was born on this day in 1882 and also died on the same day in 1962 at the age of 80 years. He was also honored on February 4, 1961 with the country's highest civilian award Bharat Ratna. My dear audience, the celebration of this day is a noble attempt to put emphasis on the role played by doctors in our lives. It is true that we should always be careful and try not to get sick, but sometimes it is unavoidable, and even after taking the due precautions, we may fall sick or may catch some disease. At last, a visit to the doctor is the only way to get rid of these problems.
Or even worse, if surgery or treatment is required to be done, we rely on the expertise of our doctors who try their best to save us and become healthy once again. The doctor responds to the emergency situation at any moment or time, and they act as true saviors for the patient. My speech is just a way to communicate the feelings of everyone. Ask to the community of doctors who not only help us in our everyday lives but also have made relentless effort towards achieving remarkable improvements in the medical field. Thank you.